Okay, tonight for dinner, we're making Hamburger Stroganoff. So we start out with 1 pound of browned hamburger. What you're going to do is you're going to add in your chopped onion. Now I have been hydrating my onion, and so I'm going to strain it and then put it in. If you don't have dried onion, fresh onion always works best, do half a cup. But if you've got dried onion, put in 1/4 of a cup. Okay, so add the onions into the hamburger. Next you're going to add your seasoning. So we're going to do a quarter teaspoon of paprika. That would be pretty powerful if you had a quarter teaspoon of paprika. Then we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Oh, pour it over this. Okay, there we go. We're going to mix those all together really quickly. And then what we're going to add is a can of cream of mushroom soup. Okay, and then with that mixture, we're going to let it sit and simmer uncovered for 20 minutes. Okay, so it's all stirred in together, and we're now going to let it do that simmering on the oven on medium to low temperature for simmer for 20 minutes, and then we've got to add our next ingredient. So while the stroganoff is simmering, what I'm going to do is take care of my egg noodles. Cook it as per package into a boiling pot of water, throw it directly in, and cook it for 10 to 12 minutes, and I'll have my stroganoff ready just in time for the noodles to be cooked at the exact same time. Noodles cooking, and now it's time to add 1 cup of sour cream to the stroganoff. Now, when you put the stroganoff in, do not bring it to a boil. It does not cook, just heat it up. So put it in, heat up the sour cream, do not boil, and it's ready to go. One thing that my husband and I love to add to our stroganoff is another can of mushrooms, just to make it extra mushroomy. The kids are not fans of mushrooms, so tonight I won't be putting it in.